Now, hello people. No, I'm going to get slagged because I've just bought a DJI drone and I said to Buster, I don't need a drone. I'm not going to buy a drone. And I've ended up buying one. So, I'll get slagged about that.
Left a quiet behind, now I ride the plains. Living in Holland with the wind and rain. But the tiger calls when the roads unwind, and I chase the sun with the miles behind. Every door that feels like just another song. Keep on rolling, I was born to belong.
Anyway, I'll let you see it later on once we're back. For the people that are interested, it's a DJI Flip. I looked at the 4K, and the guy in the shop said I'd be better with the Flip because it's got obstacle avoidance and it's got propeller guards on it. So I took his advice and I bought the Flip. The only thing is I didn't buy any extra batteries, but in the beginning I think one battery will be enough for me. 30 minutes flying, so I can't imagine. Somebody will probably prove me wrong, but I can't imagine I'll be using it that much. So I think a half an hour will be plenty. We'll see. My wife will probably moan because I'll be in a couple of weeks I'll probably be moaning that I need another battery in a case. So I try and just buy what I need. So Buster, slag me if you want. If we do a trip together, it'll be handy if we've got a drone with us. I know you've got one, but it's a pretty big one. This fits in my top case. Oh, and I've been on a shopping spree the last few while because I've bought crash bar bags on the recommendation of Buster as well. So I'll let you see them later on as well. Temu specials. After talking to Buster, and he said that he put his rain gear in them and all that kind of stuff, and I thought that's pretty handy. You don't have to dig through your gear to find your rain stuff. Maybe put some tools or something in it, I don't know, we'll see. I've got two, I've only mounted one now. Only mounted one this morning just to see how it would mount on these crash bars. So anyway, that's us on a wee run, just on the way back for the shop where I bought the DJI. Yeah, what the guy in the shop said was right. He said you can buy, they sell other makes, but I think that's alright for a hobbyist that actually wants to fly properly. But for somebody like me that just wants to make a wee video now and again, It's still pretty expensive. Gain out money like water the last wee while. New bike, new bags. What else have I bought? New cameras, DJI. God knows what I've bought. It's an expensive hobby. I was lucky I've got a half decent job. I realise sometimes that not everybody can buy all that stuff and buy a new bike. So I'm pretty thankful that I can do that. And I think that's important that you remember that not everybody can afford to do all this stuff. I'm still struggling with the sound. Buster bought me a mic that he uses, a jobby. A jobby, I know. And in Scottish that's a shit. I think it's this helmet. This helmet's pretty windy and pretty noisy. And I know that Jupiter on a bike, he's got DaVinci Studio with AI voice enhancer or whatever it's called. That's just, I don't know, that's, I can't justify that. I've just bought a DJI drone for €400 and I'm complaining about a license for DaVinci, but I don't know. What do you think? I can't, yeah. It's a lifetime license, so it's no bad, but it's, I don't know, I'm just one of the people, I like to get something for my money, and a license is always for me. Physically, you've no got anything in your hands, do you know what I mean? Plus, I've just said how much money I've been giving out, so that was a choice between the DJI's drone and the license for DaVinci. It wanted me to go, we'll see where it wants me to go. No, it didn't want me to go here. Nice wee bit of sand path. Oh.
Left a climb behind, now I ride the plains. Living in Holland with the wind and rain. But the tiger calls when the roads unwind, and I chase the sun with the miles behind. Every border feels like just another song. Keep on rolling, I was born to belong. I'm a Scottish biker abroad, chasing dreams on the road. Through Germany nights and the towns I've called home. From Budapest lights to the UK shore. On my Triumph Tiger, I'm always wanting more. Open skies on the Autobahn, riding fast till the night is gone. From Amsterdam streets to the Highlands rain, I keep on rolling, I'll be back again. Every journey writes another part of me. Two wheels spinning, I was born to be free. I'm a Scottish biker abroad, chasing dreams on the road. Chasing dreams on the road. Through Germany nights and the towns I've called home. But the world is my home. Budapest lights to the UK shore.
Just in my ego.
On my Triumph Tiger, I'm always wanting more. Pulling more.
That's like my boot, as you can see.
No shaking bind.
So that wasn't a very good experience.
I know I'll
I learned
find
two things.
from
One,
the Dutch canals to the Scottish
get
rain.
knobbly
The road
tyres.
keeps calling
And two,
out my name.
don't do this kind of thing when you're on
I'm
your
a
own.
Scottish biker abroad, chasing dreams on the road. Chasing dreams on the road. From Germany nights and the towns I've called home. I'll go home. From Budapest nights to the UK shore. UK shore. On my Triumph Tiger, I'm always wanting more. Open skies on the Autobahn, riding fast till the night is gone. From Amsterdam streets to the Highlands rain, I keep on rolling, I'll be back again. Left a quiet behind, now I ride the plains. Living in Holland with the wind and rain. But the tiger calls when the roads unwind, and I chase the sun with the miles behind. Every border feels like just another song. Keep on rolling, I was born to belong. I'm a Scottish biker abroad, chasing dreams on the road. Chasing dreams on the road. The freedom I'm chasing, I know I'll find, From the Dutch canals to the Scottish rain, the road keeps calling out my name. The road keeps calling out my name. No man can hold, no man can hold me, no chain can bind. The freedom I'm chasing, I know I'll find. From the Dutch canals to the Scottish rain, the road keeps calling out my name. The road keeps calling out my name. Oh, I'm always wanting more.